Deeply rooted in Fort Worth family and history, Jeffrey Rattikin has focused on commercial and residential real estate transaction law for the past 2 decades.
Well, at Rattikin Law, we have an unbelievable staff that has decades of experience in all aspects of real estate law. We have specialists in title insurance transactions, we have specialists in 1031 exchanges, we have specialists in foreclosure and eviction law. Any aspect of real estate law, our staff has many years of experience.
Named one of the best lawyers in the business by Texas publications, his property expertise comes from a long line of entrepreneurs, leaders, and frontrunners. His grandfather, Jack Rattikin Sr., led the charge to formulate title insurance in Texas, and he also made heroic efforts to protect valuable real estate records that Tarrant County later needed and copied for permanent archives. Jack Rattikin Sr. was instrumental in establishing the title insurance industry in Texas. To date, 3 generations of Rattikins have served in leadership positions in the Texas Land Title Association and the American Land Title Association, including Jeff's father, who has been honored with Lifetime Achievement Awards for his unequaled contributions to the growth and integrity of the title insurance industry across the nation. With the same interest in protecting what's valuable, Jeffrey Rattikin didn't fall far from the tree. Renowned in the legal world as one of the finest real estate lawyers in Texas, Rattikin moved into the 21st century with the development of an online resource to assist clients across the state of Texas in obtaining accurate, complete, and affordable legal documents for their family and business needs, all analyzed and prepared by a board-certified real estate attorney.
Consumers these days are very technologically sophisticated, and they're beginning to expect that everything they need in their lives can be handled from the comfort of their own home.
TexasLegalDocs.com facilitates online access, communication, and fulfillment of real estate transaction needs for consumers across the state of Texas, in cities, towns, farms, and ranches. Rattikin planted the seeds for TexasLegalDocs.com to cultivate a solution for those who need accurate, complete legal services, but want to steer clear from the high cost, intimidation, and delays from traditional legal representation. Today, there are more options, and Rattikin is pushing this movement forward.
There are many great attorneys in every market, but people find it hard to find a specialist when it comes to real estate law. The beauty of our firm is that for decades now, we have specialized only in real estate transactional law. We are able to bring our legal expertise to clients in a new and technologically efficient way via the internet and online secure delivery.
A community-minded attorney, husband, father, and spiritual leader, Rattikin is involved in philanthropic and outreach organizations worldwide, but he values a sense of community in Fort Worth and Texas that is evident even in the historic place where his shingle hangs.
The building our offices are housed in, known as Rattikin Square today, actually has quite an illustrious history in the city of Fort Worth. It was built back in World War I days and served as an officer's quarters and officer's bar for the officers serving at the Camp Bowie Army Base. In the 1940s, 1950s, it was operated as a boarding house and did have one very infamous tenant named Lee Harvey Oswald. Lee Harvey Oswald spent his high school years here and began pursuing Marxist and communist ideals. In the 70s, most Fort Worthians remember this location as the spot of the Rangoon Racquet Club, a very infamous restaurant and lounge here in Fort Worth where all the visiting celebrities and the trendy West Siders of town spent their evenings.
With visions of optimizing growth in his own surroundings, Rattikin has the pulse on a broader world, and he shows intuition to foresee vastly changing technological changes that have arrived. TexasLegalDocs.com makes Texas-specific legal real estate documents accessible.
The success our firm has enjoyed is all about the people who comprise our staff. They actually love what they do, they love real estate law, and through all the years of experience they've had conducting real estate transactional law, they're able to help our clients in every need they may have.
Rattikin's ability to break down the basics online will facilitate complex legal matters while minimizing needless, expensive costs. A solution finder, just like his father and grandfather, Rattikin is adapting to modern world challenges before everyone, with solutions that make a difference.